Mental slavery. When they move from Europe to Africa, they're called voyages of discovery. When we move from Africa to Europe, we're called illegal immigrants. A group of Africans in Europe ill refugees. A group of Europeans in Africa ill tourists. A group of Africans in the bush ill poachers. A group of Europeans in bush eels hunters. Black people working in a foreign country ill foreigners. White people working in a foreign country ill expatriates. This world has failed Africa. Or have we failed ourselves? Food for thought. In fact, the utmost stupidity normalized by Africans is, when a French national cannot speak English, Africans respect him. When a Spanish can't speak English, Africans respect him. When a Chinese can't speak English, Africans respect him. When a Russian can't speak English, Africans respect him. When a Portuguese can't speak English, Africans respect him. But when an African can't speak English, Africans consider him a joke, unintelligent, illiterate, dumb, and stupid. That's the level or extent of damage we have suffered as a people. We use English as a yardstick to measure the intelligence of our people, including children. A country that makes English compulsory in schools but agriculture optional will continue to speak English on empty stomach. In our schools, children are made to believe they're stupid just because they cannot speak a language alien to their ancestral root. Dear Africans, put an end to this mental slavery. Teach your children their mother tongue and allow the locals to feel free to speak their native languages without any stigma. Do not help the oppressors to extend their oppression. If you come across this post, share widely to spread this message and enlighten an African. The people around you need to hear this. It's a collective effort. Don't break the chain of mental revolution.